late. It's like a day after Halloween, but oh well. We didn't have one trick-or-treater at this house or my other house. So, we still got all this candy, and we got even more at my other house. So, yeah. It kind of sucks. Oh well. Oh, I got a new camera. So, this is hopefully better than the computer. Trying to open it with one hand is hard. Hang on. Let me set the camera down. And then it came with a little tripod thing too. See? Yeah. Little tripod thingy. So, and a little bag for it. It's just a $30 camera, but it's better than using that. So, hopefully anyways. Yep. So, hopefully this works way better than my webcam. It makes noise if you zoom in or turn the light on. See, it's got a little light. Then it starts making a lot of noise. Yep. But it works pretty well. This is a test video to see how good it works. So I'm hoping it's better than my webcam. Hopefully. So, yep. Well, just wanted to tell you that today. See ya.